My name is Robert Higbe, and I'm a 6th grade Rosemary Middle School student, and I'm in Ms. Bucci's art class. So today I'm basically going to sum up what you'll probably do in next year in art if you have any future. First, our portfolio. What we do is we keep our work in it. We have to fold the paper in half, put our name on the bottom, your first and last name, and then whatever period you're in, or A day or B day. And then you have to make a border on the outside of it and then divide it in 4 quarters. So what you have to do is you have to draw a hand, something around the room, a face, and something that you enjoy in life. Then our first artist that we did was John Miro. To do this project, we had to draw out like a little monster, like out of a bunch of different shapes and stuff to make one, and then trace it over with Sharpie, color it very dark with crayons, and then put on water paint all over it, and the crayons would resist the paint so it wouldn't mess up the project, and it's a lot faster. This project is on Pablo Picasso. He is a cubist artist. That means that he does a side view of a face and the front view of a face. What you did here was you drawed the picture of a side view and the front view, and then you traced over it with Sharpie and then colored it with highlighter. And then another art thing that you could have done for Pablo Picasso was a sculpture, a cubist sculpture. So what you need here is a wood block, a hanger, a piece of wire, and a stocking and paint. So what we did was we took a hanger and bent the tip out of it, and then we bent it into the shape form that we wanted, and then the wire that we have, we bent it into the shape form that we wanted, like a nose, a mouth, and a chin. And after we did that, we stuck it in a little hole in a piece of wood so it would stand up. Then we put a stocking over it and painted it, one like a happy side and a sad side. Our next artist was Maria Martinez. She is a Pueblo potter, and it's called a pinch pot that we did. What we did was we took a wet ball of clay, we stuck both fingers in it and started wrapping it around to make the shape that we wanted. And what you do is you hit it on the table 3 times on both sides to get the shape form that you wanted even, and then you painted over it the design that you wanted it. And then our next artist is Henry Matisse. When he was younger he painted, but then he started doing cutouts. And so what you do is you fold a little piece of paper in half and cut it just a random shape and glue it onto your paper. And then the leftovers, I chose to put them onto my paper to show you how I cut them out. And the ones that you cut out was the positive, and the ones that you cut the paper out of was the negative. And this is an Australian dot painting, and what you do is you undo a paper bag, and then you use a Q-tip with paint on it to dot like something in everyday life that you love. And that just sums up what you'll be doing next year in Ms. Bucci's class for art. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next year.